Alright, so here I have a Delta faucet, and it only turns to the right. It won't turn to the left anymore. So I took it apart, and there's a set screw on the bottom of here. Took that off. I have everything kind of taken apart right now to show you what the problem, or what I came out with, or what I determined, is there's this little piece right here. This plastic red piece is what limits which direction this piece will turn. Somehow it got turned. So you put it in the middle, then you pull this piece out, turn it to where it's supposed to be, and now I have full motion of that. You can see there's a little bit of a indentation in that red piece, and it's supposed to be lined up right there. But I think that's what fixed it.